what was really interesting was the street art. And so we took that because that was part of the soul of the neighborhood, and we wanted to kind of transform that into a whole nother evolution of what the neighborhood could be. And so we invited the greatest street artists in the world to come and paint the canvases of our buildings.
The area was very run down. There wasn't paintings everywhere. There was a lot of people wandering around at night who were dangerous, maybe on drugs. And in some ways it's great that in the 10 years or more I've been coming here, the place has changed and it's got cleaned up and new businesses have come in. I think the thing about this sort of art and the ever-growing popularity of social media is that when artists put their stuff up, they want people to look at it. There is a certain ego to it. You want to share your artwork. And maybe it's not a look at me, it's hey, check out what I've got, enjoy.